I'll show you how to turn off the always-on display on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or any latest Galaxy devices. By default, when your phone is locked and you tap the screen, you can see information such as your lock screen wallpaper, the Now bar, notifications, and other details on the always-on display. If you'd like to hide the wallpaper or completely disable the always-on display, here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Next, tap Always on Display. Here you'll see the option called Show Lock Screen Wallpaper. Turn this option off if you don't want your lock screen wallpaper to appear on the Always on display. You can also disable the Now bar on the Always on display by turning off its toggle. If you want to completely turn off the Always on display, simply toggle Always on display off. Now lock your phone and tap the screen. You won't see any information, wallpaper, or widgets on the display. That's how easy it is to turn off the Always on display on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any other recent Samsung Galaxy device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.